Hey guys, welcome back to WP King. In this video I'll show you how to buy a domain name from Namecheap, which I used for over a few years and I think it's the best domain provider out there. So let's not waste any more time and let's get right into the video. So to get started, you want to go to the first link in the description. It will take you to Namecheap website and you should see something like this. Then right here in the search box you want to type in the domain name you want. So the domain name I want is wp-king and I want to click on search. And right here it will display all the domain names available. As you can see, this .com domain is already registered. I could make an offer right here, but it will cost me probably thousands of dollars to get it. So I won't do that. Instead, I will look at the other domain extensions such as .io, .co and so on. You can see there is over 400 additional extensions. You can click on that if you want, but I decided I will go with the .co. So next to the domain I want, there is an add to cart button, so I will click on that. And right here at the bottom I will click on checkout. Right here you can choose for how many years you want to register the domain. I will leave it at 1 year. You also get a domain privacy for completely free, and it's also free forever. So what this is a privacy protection service that hides your personal info in the public whois database and also keeps your data safe and helps to avoid spam. And as I said, it's free forever. You can also get some additional services they're offering, such as SSL, which I don't recommend. You get for $5 a year. I actually made a video on how to get a free SSL to your website for completely free, and I will leave a link to the video in the description. You can also get a VPN, hosting, email, web hosting and DNS. I don't need any of that right now, so I will go on top of the page and I will click on confirm order. So you probably don't have an account here at Namecheap, so you want to fill those informations in and click create account and continue. But since I already have an account, I will just log into my account right now. After you create your account, it will take you to this page where you can choose your payment method. You can pay by card, PayPal or account funds. For you it will probably be like this, so you want to fill in the name on the card, first name, your address and everything else. But I already have my credit card saved, so I will choose the card and click on continue. After that you want to review and make sure everything is correct, and if it is, you can click on pay now. And as you can see, we have successfully bought the domain. Now in the next video that's showing right now on the screen, I will show you how to buy a hosting for the website and also connect the domain name to the hosting. And after that I will have a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to make a WordPress website. If this video helped you, make sure to comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.